recording, by the way, so. I've been natural for a couple of years now, and I decided, you know what? I'm gonna let my hair because why not? It hasn't been growing. It's been the same length for forever, so why not? I think I did the front maybe a couple months ago, so I kind of just want it to be straight and he's just sniffing around and just different look like. And if I don't like it, I cut it off. It's that simple. I barely wear my hair out anyways, so it'll be something new. So let's go get it done. This is the pack I'm using today for my relaxing journey. I use Prima Nature often, so I've used them before actually as relaxers. So it smells good. Here's step one. Here's the activator. Boom. And shampoo. And boom. Gloss and shine polisher. Instructions. Who really reads instructions, buddy? Okay, so we have started with the back section. I want to make sure I get that really good. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this part up and just work on this section for now that I have in my hand. And I was trying to use this stick, but I didn't really put it in the way it's supposed to, so I'm gonna just use my glove and put some in there and just get the hair. Now I'm gonna move quickly because this don't gonna be playing. You know, when it start burning, it start burning. So let's move quickly. I feel like before you start, you want to put like Vaseline everywhere on your neck, on your ears, because you do not want that stuff all around. Look, all this shedding from my hair. I'm trying to see if I can see that. See that? Y'all can't see that. All that shedding. And I just feel like my hair is super dry. Like, I try my best to like keep it hydrated. It's like, it's gonna be dry. Like, try not to manipulate my hair that often. My hair, I have low porosity hair, so it's like really hard to keep it from taking moisture like it should. The water just bounces off. So. But okay. We got our first one done. I gotta be fast with it. Because, like I said, if I don't hurry up, it's gonna be burning on this side. So I'm trying not to get like my roots right now because I'm gonna get like my hair first. So when it's time to get the roots, my scalp won't be burning. Work it back. Actually, I can just work it down. Look at how dry my hair is. I know it's gonna dry. I like to do the edges last because I'm drawing baby fast, baby really fast. So I gotta make sure I do those last. And just get on my hair. See, this one I told y'all before, like a couple months ago I did the front and I kept it in too long. I'm trying to be fast and not keep it in too long. So now that I've done the front, let me just push it back and you see I haven't done the tips yet. Because they will not play, trust me. Okay, y'all, so we get into the edges now. Get that side done. And for the edges, I just put it on my wooden stick and get into it. Some good hair, y'all. I'm even going front. My hair is really nice. Like, y'all can see Them babies. A whole bunch left in here, so I'm gonna just work it in here. This one, work it in. And my finishes, work it in. I'm gonna be a little cute green. Look at my hair, white, gray hair. Now who green is this? That's my grandma. I'm so silly. There's my grandma. Would you see my grandma? I'm talking about my grandmama. This is what we got. Got it in there. After the tingling, so it's time to go. I like to burn my scalp in there. Okay. So we are done washing. This is my hair now. I like it. Like, I wear it down, we put it up. And it's not like super straight, so it's like, it's good. I like it. I do have some places like here that I did before and I put it on too long, so. But the majority of it is good. Like, I could literally put my hand through my hair. Yeah, I'll probably straighten it tomorrow. I forgot I like it. It's different. And I can wear it out, like, without doing too much. I'm gonna ponytail, boom, without wet, doing too much. I'm so silly. Edges are looking beautiful. And if you're thinking about it, go ahead, go do it. Go do it. Because ain't nobody helping you do your hair. You doing your hair, so don't be living to nobody's expectations except yours. Good morning, guys. So this morning I'm about to straighten my hair. I didn't do it last night because I was just tired. But we're gonna do that this morning. I can't show you what my hair look like because I look like a crazy person right now. But my edges is slayed, so I can show you that. But we're about to straighten my hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in the. Oh, what wrong me, man? It's spinning me. I'm not almost done. My hair is just thick. I'm already sweating this with. My hair is like thick, so it's taking me forever. But I'm almost done. Almost done. So I'm finally done straightening my hair. I have some thick hair. My hair is just thick. And I have a lot of split ends. I'm going to be cutting this. But finally. It's not done yet, but I like it a lot. Probably gonna wear it in a ponytail. Yeah.